Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this Squeegee set that you can actually use to do short windows, tall windows, even high windows up to 14 plus feet away, because that's how far this will extend, which is great. This will be great for high windows especially, or if you had an RV like we used to have to hit the windshield, my gosh, you'd have to get out a ladder. Now you no longer would have to do that. It comes with a nice carrying bag in the box, a user's manual, these 10 expandable pieces here, as well as 3 squeegee heads that have these microfiber on there. It's got a couple of different options, some with some nibs and one that's just more of a flat. And then of course you have your squeegee part here on this. This is a 180-degree rotating locking piece that you can lock this into a number of different positions depending on which position you're wanting to have for ergonomics. It'd make it easier one way or the other. What I'm going to go ahead and do here is going to show you how to put a couple of these on to do this door here. To simply put this on, twist it in place. I mean, it doesn't get much easier, and that's just with 2 of these pieces on here, and that makes it a nice strong piece like that. Now imagine adding those other ones in, and we'll go out and do a higher window here in a minute and show you how that's going to work. But if you've got a window, maybe it's got some stuff on there, we're going to go ahead and just squirt some stuff on here and kind of show you. You could dip this in a bucket if you're going to be out doing a bunch of these, but using the squeegee piece, squeegee these off here like this with this microfiber. And then, whenever you're done, again, you can use this piece here and squeegee that off there, giving you a nice mirror finish on that window as well. So that is working really well. And the fact that this is so easy because it's got both these pieces on there, if you decided you need to go back, scrub off another piece, clean it off again, easy to do that. So I'm going to go take you out and show you how this is going to work on a much higher window. So here I've got another one that's a lot higher. I can't reach that upper part. I've only got half of these extensions on here, and you can see I already can get all the way up there. Now this again could be double the length, all the way up to 14 feet long if you want to attach all those extensions on there. We got a little bird dookie on there, so we're going to go ahead and scrub that off of there and kind of scrub the rest of this off here. This window hasn't been cleaned in quite some time, so this is going to be great to actually get up here and be able to scrub this kind of stuff off of here. And then whenever we get enough scrub, flip it around, and we'll just squeegee that on down. This is really great because the fact that this is so lightweight, and if I wanted to adjust it, push this button in here and adjust this this part here, maybe over like this. So now I wanted to squeegee it from the side. You can easily do that, which helps you squeegee it from a different angle. Maybe you're trying to get something pulled off to the side like that. So you've got a lot of various abilities to use this thing on a lot of different reasons. I could easily foresee someone using this as a gift for someone that had an RV or someone that had some really high windows.